Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday of summer school. Today we're going to be talking about how to write a good nonfiction summary. So when we are writing any sort of summary, we are going to retell what we read, but in a shorter way. So when we are writing a summary, we really want to stay away from saying I read or I think. A summary is just a quick retelling of a story. In fifth grade, we are not going to be using I when we write unless we're writing a story for entertainment, which we will not probably be doing a lot in fifth grade because just like fourth grade, you will be writing informative or opinion, which is text-based writing. So when we're writing our summary, the very first thing that we want to do is state the book that we read. So you read The Unsolved Mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. So I'm going to say we're going to state the book read. So let's say that I read a book on lizards, and the book that I read was called The Amazing World of Lizards. So I may start off my summary with the nonfiction text, and I'm going to capitalize the title, The Amazing Book of Lizards, comma, was all about the world of the lizard. That is how I'm going to start my sentence for my summary. The next thing we really want to pay attention to is that we are using correct capitalization. So capitalize, we need to capitalize the beginning of a sentence. It's really important. We need to capitalize the name of books, names. We want to make sure that we use correct punctuation. So always end your sentence with a period. When we're summarizing, we want to retell the most important facts from the beginning, the middle, and finally, the end. We want to leave out the little details. We don't need to know every little thing. So when you're writing, you may want to discuss what the Bermuda Triangle is, possibly where it's located, maybe what makes it so special. These are just a few of the things that you would want to include in a summary. Finally, a summary needs to be about 4 to 5 sentences. We don't want to make it too short, but we also don't want to make it too long. A summary is a very quick retelling of a story. Finally, leave out as much as possible the word I. We are getting into more mature writing. We really want to stray away from the I read or the I think or just little comments, because then that makes our writing a lot longer. And again, this is a quick retelling. So I'm going to attach some anchor charts for you in Edsby for you to use for your summary. Hopefully this little video helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye guys.